What's going on, guys? It's Wednesday afternoon, almost 3 p.m. I've been handling some business today. I got a fishing tournament coming up this weekend, getting ready for, and I came back home and I saw all the charts. I was like, man, we're sitting right at a kind of just a spot where I was expecting a move to happen, and if we kind of held that level, my plan was, hold that level, and then we're going to look for a nice pop to the upside, a nice little squeeze, right? So the channel just hit 100,000 subscribers. If you haven't seen the video, that just happened today, so that's pretty cool. But, I was really like, man, it would be really cool if I could just make $100,000 trading today. It'd be like, what a story, right? What a fairy tale ending for this video, but it did not happen. I only made $500. So I'm going to show you guys what went down here and all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff right here in this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, so it's Wednesday. It's 2:23 right now, and I'm just kind of sitting here waiting and watching to see what happens here with the futures. The market kind of right at a support area here at the 730 area, and just kind of, you can see how these big moves have been happening, and then kind of getting tight in this area down here. So I'm expecting some type of move. Obviously, we're getting a move to the downside right now, but I think let's see what happens here if we can hold that 730 area. I'm not going to buy until I really get some serious confirmation of a bounce back. Like, I want to see this action right here. I want to see the boom, 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 boom going from 65 here up to the 80. I want to see a nice big strong move. So I'm thinking that if we get that drop down here to the 730 area, that from there we can start to kind of find a base and maybe get some action, some buyers stepping in here and pushing this back up and getting a squeeze going. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. You can see right now we just touched down there to the 730, the 2730 area, looking to see if this is going to pop back up now. Kind of want to see this bottom, and also want to see the tricks down here as well start turning up, or at least kind of flattening out. I want to see that flattening on the tricks down there. All right, so you can see now down here at the 730 area, getting a little bit of a battle going here. Almost getting a doji right there. So we'll see if this is going to push back. We're kind of indecisive. We're getting some indecisiveness between the buyers and the sellers. Kind of tug of war here. The buyers are like, hey, I kind of want to step in here. I want to push this back up. But then the sellers are kind of like, hey, I want to push this lower, but who's going to win this battle? So it's a little bit of tug of war. Everybody's kind of like, do I take profit? Do I cut off my trade? And vice versa right here at this 730 area hold. So the shorts who were shorting up here are kind of thinking, hey, if we can't break through that 730 area, I'm going to look to kind of get out of that trade. And then, right now, we're pushing back down there to the 730 area again. Here we go. This should be kind of the deciding factor. If we hit that 730 area one more time here, we should get another pop back up. I'm kind of waiting to see if we can get a pop back above this 740 area. Kind of a strong pop. Even maybe above 745, like a big kind of green candle right here, and then look for a pullback. Kind of like back down to the 740 area if we can pop above all that. So you can see, obviously, just a battle right here, right now. The bulls, the bears. Someone's trying to figure out which way the market wants to go. So looking like we might get a push back here. You can see the bulls starting to step back in there at the 735 area, trying to push this up here. Let's get above that 740 area, show some strength here, and see if we can get a rebound. Should get, like I said, should get a pretty nice little rebound if we can bounce off here, off this level. There's a little pop back up above 740. I'm going to give it a little bit more time. I want to see it above this high on this candle, 740. What was the high there? Yeah, 744.50. No real rush here. I don't really need to rush into, jumping in here too soon. Like I said, I think if it does turn bullish and want to bounce here, I think we should get a pretty strong, powerful move. So there's plenty of upside on this. I don't need to try to scalp every little penny. I'm just going to wait for that confirmation here. There we go. Pushing up there nicely now. So now I'll start to kind of put some orders out here to look for some fills. Just putting some orders out there, getting some fills. Just going to make the bounce that much stronger here. Real battle going on here, but let's see how this pushes. So we should get a nice little push here. New candle on the 5-minute chart here. Look for that push up there above 740 again. I can see a little pop here. Let's get away from my entry. Get a nice fill there. 45s, 48s, 49s, up to 50 almost. Still got 4 contracts, 52, up $253 currently. Up another. Got 1 contract left. Currently up another $100 on that contract. Let's see if it'll push all the way up here to 54s, 54s, 54s. Looking for a push here. Let's gonna let this one ride a little bit here because I've already locked in the profit. Making $497. Just gonna put this final contract on a stop loss, like down here, in this area. I think we can still kind of just hold that and kind of see what happens going into close. Make it a nice little surprise. Get a little 30, 40 handle move here. Does not want to go. I thought we'd really just get a snap, like a 50. I thought we'd really just get a snap up here to the 60s. You know, really to start to go crazy, but buyers just not being able to step up and take control here. The bear is still trying to push it down here. I might get stopped out, actually. Looking like she might come back all the way back down there to 36s, getting stopped out there. Wow. It's pretty wild. Like I said, I was looking for that big snap here. We still got, 20 handles, but I was really thinking we were going to get like green, 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 get a nice little run here, kind of like this, green, 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 green. But we just not had any buyers stepping up. So
if you're still watching this video, don't worry. There's a lot more videos right here on the #1 day trading channel for you to check out and learn more about day trading. So don't be afraid and check out these videos right over here. 1, 2, newest and latest and greatest videos for you to check out. Also, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already.